Here is exactly how I made sure people are always cool with paying my high ticket price. Even if it's quite a lot to stomach, instead of paying it all up front, when people have a problem with it, I don't go for the discount. Instead, it's so simple, go for the payment plan instead. You still get your money, but if you leave it so they maybe pay 60% up front instead of all of it, and then the remainder 30 days later, what happens is we access the natural cycles of months. Every month people get paid. Every month people get invoices in. Every month people have new cash flow. And so of course they can just give you the money the following month. It's game changing when someone can't afford a $10,000 deal. So instead of doing it for $5,000, you just do it for $5,000 up front and then the following $5,000 the next month. And it's so crazy because they're like, yeah, that's fine, I can do it that way. Check out more of these videos on how to improve your sales. These little tips are what really made the difference for me.